Good news! With ChatGPT, you can generate the full outline, talking points, and even slide content in minutes. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, head over to ChatGPT. You can use the free or pro version. Next, type something like you want to do, like this one. Give me tips for a healthy lifestyle. Make it detailed. So as you can see, ChatGPT gives us a clean outline. Now, all you have to do is copy all these things and paste it in Word document. Once your ideas are set, click File on the upper left, select Save As, and choose File Location. Click on the arrow in the File Name section, then choose Rich Text Format, and Save. Now, open blank PowerPoint presentation. Tap Insert, click arrow in the next slide, and choose Slides Form Outline. Insert the file, and that's it. In just a few minutes, you've got a solid presentation without overthinking it. Now, you can modify each slides to arrange text, change the designs, and more. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart tools and time-saving hacks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.